Hello guys, welcome to Meka School. Today we are going to solve a very interesting GRE math problem. So solving these types of problem, you have to follow the order of operations. I'm going to solve now. So for these types of arithmetic problem, you have to know the order of operation PEMDAS. Here, P means parenthesis, like first bracket, second bracket, uh, third bracket. E means exponential, like 5 cube, 6 cube, Here M means multiplications, D means divisions, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So you have to remember following this order of operations. Now rewrite the example. So from this example, first of all, the parenthesis is this term. So we have to solution this term first, divided by 7 minus 1, that means 6. 6 plus 6. Now, next, E means exponential. So here exponential is 4 to the power of cube. So 5 minus 3 multiply 4 to the power of cube. That means 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. 4 multiply 4 means 16. 16 multiply 4, that means 64. So here 64 divided 6 plus 6. Next, multiplication and division. You have to remember that multiplication and division are solved left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction are same left to right. Now here, so first of all, obviously multiplication here left, then 3 multiply 64, that means 192 divided by 6 plus 6. Now, so here even only division. Before addition and subtraction, there will be division first. So 5 minus 192 divided by 6. That means 32 plus 6. Now, addition and subtraction, we know that they are left to right. Left to right. So here obviously subtraction before the addition. So 5 minus 32, that means minus 27 plus 6. So minus 27 plus 6, that means minus 21. And this is our final answer. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, press the like button and subscribe to our Meka School.